Looking for a simple way to upgrade your Suunto Zoop Novo or Vyper Novo dive computer? The Suunto Bungee Adapter Kit offers exactly what you need to keep your gear secure and ready for every dive. This kit includes everything: bungee cords, adapters, and spring bars, all designed to attach seamlessly to your dive computer for a snug, reliable fit. If you want peace of mind underwater, this upgrade matters. I wasn't sure at first when I got the kit. The cover didn't snap in as easily as the original, and I thought maybe it was the wrong piece. But after a bit of pressure, it clicked perfectly into place. That's the point. The design makes sure it stays put better than the factory cover, which is exactly why I needed a replacement. While I haven't taken it diving just yet, the build quality and fit feel spot on, and it gives me confidence that it won't come loose when I'm underwater. What sets Suunto apart is their commitment to quality and innovation. Founded in 1936, Suunto combines over 80 years of craftsmanship with advanced engineering and ultra-durable materials. Every dive product is precision-made in Finland, tested extensively to ensure accuracy and reliability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, their accessories and dive gear support your adventure with trusted performance. From dive computers to straps and heart rate belts, Suunto has your back. If you're ready to enhance your dive setup with gear designed to last and perform, the Suunto Bungee Adapter Kit is worth a look. It's a straightforward way to upgrade your Zoop Novo or Vyper Novo, improving security without fuss. Dive with confidence knowing your equipment is built to stay in place and withstand the demands of the deep. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference that precision-engineered accessories can make.